Let's learn about prepositions. A preposition is a word that describes a relationship between other words in a sentence. On, in, under, before, along, among, below, beside, between, above, it, by, for, from, of, with, about, of, through, till, without, throughout, around, over, etc. are some common prepositions. Prepositions may be classified into four categories based on their functions: prepositions of place, prepositions of time, prepositions of direction, and prepositions of cause and purpose. Prepositions of place. Prepositions of place tell us where something is. Some prepositions of place are above, below, under, over, beside, down, near, in front of, around, etc. Examples: there is a fence around the garden. The paintings on the wall of that house are beautiful. Have you looked under the table? Prepositions of time. Prepositions of time tell us when. Some prepositions of time are on, in, at, till, during, after, before, since, for, etc. Examples: meet me after 5 o'clock. During summer, it becomes very hot and humid in the plains. Akshat has been living here for 5 years. Let's look at the use of in, on, and at as prepositions of time. Prepositions of direction. Prepositions of movement or direction also tell us where but usually indicate direction. Some prepositions of movement are to, at, towards, through, into, over, under, up, down, etc. Examples: before the competition, Abhinav swam across the river and begged to build up stamina. He climbed up a tree to get over the wall and into the orchard. When Archimedes discovered the law of buoyancy, he ran through the streets shouting, "Eureka!" A flying saucer just flew over that building. Prepositions of cause and purpose. When we use prepositions such as for, of, with, by, from, through, to, on account of, etc., in certain ways they denote cause or purpose. Examples: we need to start preparations for annual day. She won't succeed with hard work alone. I need money for the rent. He could not take the exam on account of illness.